Welcome. In this video I'm going to be cleaning these floor mats from a 2006 Honda Odyssey, and I'll be using Super Clean Degreaser, and this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reading it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase some of this, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. I'll also be using this View Your spinning scrubber and this Sunico pressure washer, and those were provided to me by the respective distributors for previous videos, but they have no association with this video. So I previously cleaned carpets with Super Clean, and the technique I used is that I cleaned them with Super Clean and then I rinsed them out by hanging them and letting water run through them to flush out all the dirt. I'm going to be doing a similar thing here, but I'll be using a pressure washer to help power out the dirt. So there are 7 mats here. This thing has a ton of mats, and you can see the different levels of dirtiness to them. The super dirty one is the driver's one. So it'll be hard to talk and work at the same time, so I'll give an overview. I'm going to wet these down. I'll spray them with Super Clean. I'll scrub them with the spin scrubber, and then I'll rinse them with the power washer. And I may need to do this multiple times to get down through the dirt. So I'm going to set the camera to the side, and I'll probably speed up a lot of the footage as I work through this. So I'm going to probably try and use a 25-degree tip on the power washer. Now I'm going to agitate it with the spin scrubber. Okay, so I got those all scrubbed. Now I'll start rinsing them off. So I kind of put my foot on the one end and I just kind of push the dirt and the cleaner out of the carpet. It's probably hard to see on camera, but the right side of the camera is just slightly uphill from the left side. Also, I put all these in the line so the runoff isn't running under the other carpets. So it'll probably be hard to see as I finish up here, so I'm going to cut the video for now and then I'll cut in when I have something to share. Okay, so I finished rinsing these off. I would say there's a huge improvement. I think it might have been this one here, had some kind of orange in the corner, and you could just see that rinse out as I was cleaning it. There's some kind of white something stuck in there, like some adhesive. Here's the long one. So I think I'm going to spray these down again, agitate them again, and rinse them one more time. Okay, so I gave them a second round of Super Clean, and then I put them up on these plastic sawhorses to rinse them off so they can drain dry. I only have 2 sawhorses, so I actually took these plastic car ramps and put the other 2 on here. I put the small ones on the bottom. Now as these drain, some dirt might still come out of them and it might collect down here. So I may spray that off at the bottom a little bit to kind of push that out of there a few times, and then I'll just let them dry. Now you can spend tons of time cleaning this, but the longer you do it, the less improvement you're going to see. And I'm very happy with where these are at right now. So I'm going to cut for now, and I'll probably come back when these are dry so we can take a look. So it's been a couple hours and it's getting pretty dry up top. It's still damp, but you can see a lot of the water is down here as it drains out. Okay, so I let these dry overnight. We can take a look at them. Now they didn't come out perfect, but they're a lot cleaner. You can see this one here. That one came out a lot cleaner. Now I do need to still kind of vacuum these to raise the pile back up. This one still has some dark spots on it. I don't know if that would come out, but on a 17-year-old vehicle, I'm very happy with that. Now there was some kind of glue here. That's just kind of stuck in there. There was like a dark spot somewhere over here, and I remember when I sprayed it, it kind of bubbled up. It must have been some kind of soap. But I think this is a big improvement over what it was before. If I were to do it different, I would probably put it on the sawhorses when I'm rinsing it for the first time and every time after, and just leave it on there to dry. Of course, this car has a ton of mats. It has 7 mats. A lot of cars might have 3 or 4. So that's cleaning carpet floor mats using Super Clean and a pressure washer. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.